So we're gonna do, I'm gonna actually leave a little bit of room at the top here. 84 minus 78. All right, so again, notice that I've stacked our numbers in each place value column, oopsies, perfectly on top of each other. So just like our addition, we want to make sure that they're kind of sticking with their group in their column here. All right, so let's go ahead and circle our ones column. Now look this time. Is our top number bigger or smaller than our bottom number? Well, we know that 4 is smaller than 8. So this is where we're going to have to do our new trick. We're going to have to do regrouping. All right, so we're kind of doing the reverse. So before we were making boyfriends and girlfriends and then breaking them up, but now we're kind of moving backwards. So what we need to do, we can't take 8 away from 4. If I have 4 cookies, there's my cookies. Can I take 8 away? No, the most I could take away is, well, 4. So if we can't take 8 away from 4, then something's gonna have to change. So this is where we go next door and we're gonna do something called borrowing. So I'm gonna use a different color here. So this 4, well, we need to give him an upgrade. So we're actually gonna go next door. So his buddy next door here is the 8. We're gonna borrow from the 8. So our 8 is in the tens column. So this 8 is actually 80. So we got lots that we can borrow from him. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by, we're gonna cross out our 8 and we're gonna borrow 10 from him. Again, we know he's an 80. We wanna borrow 10 from him. So to do that, he becomes a 7. Now we have a group of 10. That group of 10, we're going to add it in front of our 4. So we still have the same value. We've just rearranged our numbers. So again, our 8, we took 10 away from him, which made him a 7 or a 7D. And then we added 10 to 4. Again, this would be a rule breaker here because we don't have more than 2 digits in the ones column or in any column. But what this has done now is we're now able to subtract because 14 is bigger than 8. So now we can do our subtraction strategies. I'm going to count up from 8 to 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, which gives me 6. No problem. Now we're going to head over to this side. I'm going to circle my 10s. And we're remembering that our 8 no longer exists. He's been crossed out. So in this column, we have 7, take away 7. Well, the top number is the same as the bottom number. So we don't need to regroup here. So this one would be a no regroup. Again, if the top number is bigger or the same as the bottom number, then we don't need to regroup. All right, and you all know 7 take away 7 just gives us 0. So our answer is 6.